Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about how to make a bootable pen drive using command prompt in Windows 10 operating system. So sometimes your pen drive can be unresponsive. So during those cases, how do I format it and how do I make it usable after a period of time, or if you get any read-only file system, how to overcome that. So for that, first we will open the command prompt. Again I'll open. So command prompt, always open with administrator. So right click and run as administrator. So this is how we will be getting it. So first command you have to type is diskpart. I'll use it here, diskpart. This is the command. Without any gap you can use it, then you will get the diskpart terminal. So list disk. Second command is list disk. So once you have done it, so you can see there are 3 disks shown in my thing. Only disk 2 is 0 bytes, disk 3 is 2010 GB, and disk 0 is online 233 GB. So this is nothing but my hard disk drive, and this is my pen drive. So I will be selecting disk. So the command is select disk 3. So in your case it could be disk 1, disk 2 or disk 3. Please be very careful. So select disk 3. So after it is done, clean. The command is clean. So once it is clean means my hard disk is cleaned. So that's what I'm acting here. So next thing is create partition primary. So first thing is clean. So clean, then create partition primary, then select partition 1. So this is the first partition I'm going to select partition 1. Okay, that is selected. So every time you will get succeeded. If you type something wrong, it will give an error. Now make things active. This partition becomes active. So once it is active, then we have to format FS equal to NTFS quick. So I'll be using quick format. If you don't use quick, it will be very slow. So let us use quick. So format FS equal to NTFS quick. So after this active, format FS equal to NTFS quick. Since it is Windows 10, you need not bother about the casing, uppercase or lowercase, it will work. So now we can see diskpart successfully formatted the volume, 100% completed. Then assign, then exit. These are the 2 commands. So finally we have assign and we have exit. So after exit is done, we have to come to a folder where we have Windows 10 operating system. So here I have Windows 10 ISO. Just double click over it and you will get the complete drive of it. Okay, so now this is in D colon. So what I do is D colon, then cd boot, then boot sector slash nt60 slash nt60. The pen drive is F colon. So you have to make the bootable code install on the F drive. So slash nt60 F. So once it is done, the boot code was successfully updated on all targeted volumes. Sometimes if you use 32-bit OS and trying for 64-bit, this might give some error. So what you can do is this case boot ISO file, boot the ISO file, just double click over the ISO file. Once it is done, go to the corresponding drive. So here I have written the D colon. So you can use this command cd boot, then boot sector slash nt60 F colon. So in your case the F colon would be the drive what your pen drive is mapping to. Okay, so after it is done, now the boot code is installed. Now we need to copy the complete thing. Control A, Control C. I have to copy the complete boot folder and paste it in the F drive. So here we have to paste it here. So around 11 minutes. I will pause the video for time being. Yes, our bootable pen drive is ready. So in F drive we have our pen drive ready. Thank you.